उसके नीचे जो लिखा है उसको ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत हाथ से पेंटिंग गया नहीं जाता तो कहाँ लाया टिफिन के लाया तक नहीं पूछते। हाँ मैं सेकेंड टाइम नहीं आ रहा हूँ मैं अरे जब
ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है, चेयर लगा के उसके ऊपर वाइट कपड़ा रख के ऐसा हमेशा पेन ड्राइव ये सर ये वाला नहीं चला फाइट कर दिया तो उसको बुलाओ बोला लैपटॉप
On behalf of the IIIT in our fraternity, I am Neha Virwaniko. Before embarking onto this journey, I would like to request Dr. O.P. Vyas, Dean Academics, IIIT NIA Raipur, Mr. Yudhishthir Yadav, and our Director Sir, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sinha, onto the dais.
स्वतंत्र स्वतंत्रव अमृत मंथनव भारत में भर दे वीणवादिनी भर दे काट अंधोर के बंधन स्तर काट अंधोर के बंधन स्तर बाजननी ज्योतिर्मय कलुष भेद दमर दे वीणवादिनी वर दे नवगति नवलय तार छंद नव नवगति नवलय तार छंद नव नवल कंठ नव जलद मंद नव नव नभ के नव विहग वृंद को नव नभ के नव विहग वृंद को नव पर नव स्वर दे वर दे वीणावादिनी वर दे
So that's a better thing. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
An ACM Distinguished Engineer and also the recipient of several other awards and recognition.
Okay, he was to be here, but he sent a message that he has got stuck in some very important meeting. He'll be here in a few minutes' time. But we decided that we'll start the function, maybe a bit late, but let's go ahead with the proceeds of the function, because there are so many important things lined up for the whole day, and there are so many industry stalwarts, bigwigs, who have come here sparing their time and energy, and they have flights to catch back, go back to their respective places. So we can't actually afford to delay the whole day, and that's why I'm sorry for the 15 minutes delay that we had for starting this event. With that sorry note, I would like to extend my very warm welcome, okay, to the chief guest in absentia, to Mr. Yudhishthir from NASSCOM, and to all other dignitaries, stalwarts who have actually come here to grace this occasion, to make this event, okay, very meaningful from the industry, to my dear faculty members, staff members, and of course the students whom we consider as the Aan, Baan and Shaan of this institute. So a very warm welcome to you all for this 2 days event. It's not a one-day event. It's a 2 days event, Industry Academia Meet. It's the first Industry Academia Meet of this institute, and I welcome you all to this. Of course, some of you will be participating for just 1 day, but we have a lot of other participants lined up for tomorrow as well. Okay, so I welcome you all for this first day of the event. Okay, if you are leaving today, and welcome to you for the 2 days of this event. Okay, if you are here for both the days. There are many other participants from industry and academia. So I extend a very warm welcome on behalf of this institute to all of them. As I actually stand here, I'd also like to just touch upon two things because the time is short, and I will like that actually the 2 days are used more to interact with the students and the industry rather than I actually taking up most of the time, okay, talking to all of you. So I'll very briefly tell about two things. One about the genesis of this institute itself, because many of you are here for the first time, okay, and I also like to touch upon the second point, that is the genesis of this event, that is the Industry Academia Meet. So as you all are aware, this institute is an initiative of the government of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh itself is a very new state, okay, and when the state was formed, the government actually decided that they should set up institute of eminence, okay, a very premier academic institute, which is as good as any premier academic institute of the country, set up by central government. So they decided to set up this institute as a premier institute. They joined hands with NTPC, okay, for funding, and NTPC and Chhattisgarh state government jointly created this entire infrastructure, and today they are helping us in further building this institute. The actual operations of this institute started in July 2015 with the induction of his first batch in July 2015. So you can understand that we are just 2 years old, okay, and you can see how we are progressing, okay. So as of now, today, actually we have 3 batches of students, okay, and we run 2 branches of engineering currently here. We offer BTech in Computer Science and Engineering and BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Okay, immediately after the first year, we had also, because it's a premier institute, we had also introduced higher education programs, because it's an institute of higher education and learning. So we immediately introduced MTech and PhD programs. Okay, the MTech is currently an integrated BTech MTech 5-year integrated program, and we also have PhD programs in Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering. There are a couple of PhD students also in the crowd, okay, and we are very successfully steering all these programs, the BTech, Masters and the PhD programs. Okay, the model in which actually we take the BTech students is through JEE, okay, there is no other channel of entry. Okay, so you can understand that we have a very competitive entry style for this. Even actually there are 2 types of students. Okay, 50% seats are reserved for Chhattisgarh state domicile students, and 50% is open for all India category students. So you can imagine that we have a very good blend of students from all over India as well as Chhattisgarh state. That makes the group very enthusiastic and energetic. Okay, because they exchange ideas, exchange thoughts from different states. Okay, so through this competitive process, you will find that we have some of the best students which you can find in the country. And once they are here, we actually are focusing a lot of innovative ways and ideas, okay, to groom them in the proper way. So, of course, the first focus is a very differential academics that Professor Vyas will be touching. Professor Vyas, our Dean Academics, will be touching upon. I will not be explaining in detail because it will be repetition. So we have a very rigorous and differential academics which is different from many other such institutes. And the advantage that we have in actually having our own curriculum, a very different type of curriculum, is that we are a university. Okay, so we have our own mechanism of actually deciding, designing and implementing. Okay, so we are not governed by some other university that you have to do this, you have to do that. Okay, so this institute is actually, as per the Act of Chhattisgarh government, this is a university itself. Okay, so most of the decisions are taken by the board and the senate of this institute, and we also take care of a lot of things in our internal meetings. Okay, so that's the flexibility we enjoy. Today, our senior most students actually are in the 3rd year, and that's the reason why now I'll come to the second point, that is the genesis of this Industry Academy have been. Okay, right from the day we actually came to this institute, we have been hearing that in Indian engineering institutes, most of the engineers produced are not employable or majority of them have problems in actually the gap that is